All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We had three trades today. Well, we had one main trade and then we had two eval trades. So I'll just go over them anyway. If you guys want to see the executions and all that stuff, there's trade number one. That was an eval trade. This was the real trade we took here. We didn't even get that much of the move down, but this was the third trade. I need to finish passing the eval, so I ended up just taking this last trade. But I'm going to run through them really quick anyway. So this one was, the first one was market open. We were respecting out of I think it was a 15-minute, right? 15-minute bearish fair value gap. We had the drawn liquidity lower at that hourly low. So for me, I seen that ES was respecting bearish order flow as well. So I ended up just taking an entry off the 1 minute, and I literally just took it right into market open, scaled out, and then my trailing stop got taken out. So that was about plus, I think it was like over around 1,000 on eval. So then anyway, we went into our real trading after that. I wanted to see price retrace because we were super overextended. So then eventually price ended up tapping into this 4-hour bearish for value gap, and I was looking for shorts. I actually tried to go short here, and then I ended up closing out break even. I just didn't like how price was moving. We had that initial push back up. ES was respecting a 15-minute bearish for value gap. NQ was tapping out of a 4-hour. We ended up getting a 1-minute inverse. I entered somewhere on the retrace, and this bearish close right here around 10:16 stops above the wick, and I wanted to see price come down and fill in this 15-minute gap. But after we got this push down, ES had ended up sweeping out a low. So I ended up just scaling out and then moving stops into profit, and then they got taken out. So small win there on the funded. Then after that, I needed, again, I didn't like how price was moving, but I seen that I needed like an extra like $150 to pass this one eval I had. So I seen that price was continuing to respect out of this, I think it was a 3-minute bearish fair value gap. Yeah, this bearish fair value gap right here. ES had draws lower. I just figured that we were going to flush lower. So I ended up waiting for a 1-minute kind of break or a 30-second inverse on this candle right here around 10:53, stops above the wick. And as soon as I passed and hit the 53K, I ended up just closing out. So that's going to wrap it up for me, guys. Again, one main win. I don't really count those other two wins, but full trade recap will be out on YouTube in like probably half an hour. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.